YouTube. So I wanted to do a little bit longer form video, kind of talking about the project I'm currently working on. I did a short not too long ago that showed basically just like two spheres that you're able to kind of click on the map and they would move around. Um, so I'm still continuing to work on that game, and basically what I am following here as a guide is essentially this Udemy course called, you can see I'm about 30% of the way through. It's called Udemy Multiplayer Intermediate C Sharp Coding and Networking. I'll link this Udemy course in the description of this video so you guys can check it out if you want to buy it and do it. Um, but yeah, so far it's been pretty cool. The first section of it goes over just like basics of networking, and that's where you'll create that small project I showed in my short before, which is just the two spheres on a map, and you're able to kind of click around and play. And then after that, you'll move on to the next section of the course, which is building an actual like RTS. Um, so you can see here, if I click on post, join over here, you can see now I have essentially a similar kind of setup as with the spheres, except we are using like tanks now. And then as you click around, whether you're, the different players can click around and move their units. So the basic, what I'm gonna have at the end of this course, and what I will highlight once I build it, is basically like an actual RTS where you can join. It'll be multiplayer. I believe they're using Steam in order to kind of be able to have your friends join and play. So maybe I'll even create a video at the end of this with like me and my buddy trying this game out. But the idea here is to build up an RTS where the players join, they have different units that they can spawn and that they can create, and then you go and kind of attack each other and try to destroy the other player's base. That's what this course is going to eventually teach me how to build. And like I said, they're going to use something with Steam, I guess, to allow you to basically get your friends to play with you. But I'm super excited to build this. Like I said, I'm only about 30% of the way through the course. But I'll link the course in this description of this video, and I'll also link it in my next upcoming video, which will hopefully be at the end of this course. It is a pretty lengthy course, at least for me, considering how much time I have to put into this. So um, I'm not sure exactly how long it'll take me to complete it. Hopefully I can get it done pretty soon, and then from there I'll be able to actually make a video and show you guys, maybe even share the video with my community if you guys, or the game with my community if you guys are interested in trying to play it with me. But the idea behind this and why I kind of started this course is I still have my previous project, the original project, which is like EMI and Vector, and it's a third person shooter. And I want to take what I learned in this course and kind of go back to that course, or go back to that project, and basically use the knowledge I learned in this course to tweak the networking stuff in that game, eventually get that game to where I can host it on a server and have like my friends play with me, and then I will have like an actual third person multiplayer game that I can modify and kind of just mess with and be like my own kind of like side project, fun personal project that I can do with my friends, and just like modify, do things that like I want to do with that, and also learn about more about game development. So yeah, that's basically was my thought process behind this and why I picked this course and tried to do it. All on top of that, I guess I should say also give my coworkers some credit. They also have taken this course. At least one of them's taken this course and recommended it, and now I'm trying to take it as well. So pretty exciting stuff. Um, yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like my internet wants to cooperate right now. It's going to go through and just kind of see like the length of the course. Um, but overall, I think the second section of it's like almost like 12 hours or something of content. And then once you factor in the fact that like you're going to be pausing and going back and forth and stuff like that, it can take a while to complete it. but so far it's like looking pretty cool. Also, these tanks and a bunch of other stuff are given to you in the course. It's part of their it's part of like the actual course. You can go in and they have resources for you. You can click on the resources and download different things like this tank and stuff. And yeah, so all good stuff. I will update you guys again once I'm finished with this, but I wanted to give, like I said, a little bit more lengthy explanation of like how I built that first project, what I'm currently working on, and what you guys can expect in the future on my main channel. That and like I said in my short, I believe, or at least one of the shorts that I did with the Halo clip. I am streaming on Twitch more often now, so I'll link my Twitch in this description of this video as well. If you guys are interested in watching some gameplay stuff, I also created a separate YouTube channel for my game content, just so I can have like my learning educational channel and then also my just like fun personal game entertainment channel. So I'll link all that stuff in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed seeing what I'm building, I would appreciate you guys subscribing if you're not already, and liking this video. And also feel free to leave me comments. I love comments. I will reply to you guys. My channel is still small enough right now to where I can pretty much reply to every single comment that I get. So if you guys ever want to interact and or just say hi, let me know in the comments.